Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your mortgage payoff plan records with Rocket Mortgage, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your mortgage payoff plan records with Rocket Mortgage, first, log in to your Rocket Mortgage account. Locate the dashboard once you are logged in. Look for the Documents section on the left-hand menu. Click on Documents to access your mortgage records. In this area, you'll find important documents related to your mortgage payoff plan. Review the list to ensure you have all necessary documents. Select the files you wish to back up for your records. You can click on each document for more details if needed. Once you've identified the documents, look for the download option. This usually appears as a downward arrow or a download button. Click to start downloading the selected documents. Your browser will prompt you to choose a save location on your device. Select a secure folder where you store important documents. After saving, navigate to that folder to ensure the files are successfully downloaded. Consider creating a backup on an external drive or cloud storage for added security. To back up to cloud storage, open your preferred cloud service. Upload the downloaded mortgage documents to your cloud account. Make sure to label the files for easy identification later. Periodic backups are recommended to keep your records current. Set a reminder to check your mortgage documents every few months. This will help you stay organized and informed about your mortgage. Regularly updating your backup ensures you have access to the latest information. If you encounter any issues, consult Rocket Mortgage's customer support. They can assist you with any questions regarding document access and backups. Following these steps will help ensure that your mortgage payoff plan records are safely backed up. This protects you from loss and provides peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.